Hi everyone. Today we will discuss custom calendar. So we will use one library package that is called NGX Date Range Picker Bootstrap. So we will use that one and we will try to create one custom calendar. So I have written a blog on that one, date range picker in Angular, how we can create, and you can see the image of that date range picker. So here we have a multiple option. We can select the range also, like a today, yesterday, last 7 days, and other. And we will also allow to select the custom range. So we have an option of the custom range, so that we can also put there, and we can also add the validation. For example, if we do not want to select allow user to select the future date, that we can also control. And we can also put the minimum date. So if you want user so to restrict 2 years back, right? So that we can do also. So let's follow this the blog to create the custom calendar. So we will use the ng date range picker bootstrap. So this is the ng x date range picker bootstrap. So let's copy this one, and we'll install this one. Yeah, so it will take some time to get installed, so let's wait for a few minutes. Yeah, so we have installed the library package, and now since we have installed the library package, right, so we have to import a few module which will come from the ngx daterange picker bootstrap. So let's go to the app modules, and yeah, I already have the. Okay, let's copy this one. So I have copied this one. Then we have to initialize this one, this in the import. So we will go there, and we have imported this one. And then after ngx date range picker service, we have to add in the uh, provider. So let's go and add in the providers. So we have added this one in the providers. So now we have the basic snippet of the html. So we will just copy here, and I will put this one in the html file. So here we have a multiple option, like a drops the direction, direction of the this drop down, and maximum date validation. If you want to apply the auto apply or not, then the range we want to add linked calendar. So we can go through and play with this input property. So that we can do. Then we have the code snippet of the component.ts that we will copy also. So let's go here and just copy this one. So now we are getting error because we have to import the day.js also. So let's go ahead and install the day.js, and then we will import this one. So we will install now day.js. So let's go to the day.js. We will copy this command here, and we will install this. So now we have installed this library package. So now let's go ahead and import this one. So now we have imported the day.js. So now we see we do not have any bugs here. Let's go ahead and run the application. So so application are compiled successfully. Uh, let's open this application into the browser. And now you can see, now we have got this beautiful uh, calendar here. You can see we have even the custom range also. We can go ahead and select the custom range also. And when we will go to the component.html, and then we have the component.ts. Here we can make the multiple changes. For example, we have a range, right? So we can modify the range as per our requirement. Even we can change the date format also, like we can do this. We can change the cancel label also, and we can have the date formatting change also. Those changes we can do. So now the calendar is ready. If you want to go through the make some more changes, so we have this ngx date range picker. We can go to their repository, and once we go to the repository, so I have already opened the repository. So here we have the the app. So here they have already mentioned the example. So you can also go through this example. You can just copy their code and run in their application. So they have the component.ts also. So you can go ahead and make those changes. And in this lecture, after this lecture, I will come with one more lecture where we can have the custom changes. Because when we see in this application, so here we see, when we select the yesterday, right? So or last 7 day, so you see uh, it's December, January, right? It's showing December 2024 and January 2024, but it should be the December 2023, right? And that should be the correct. So there are some bugs we have here, so we will try to fix that one in the next lecture. And I will share this medium link in our in the description. Please go through this one, and please like and subscribe. Thank you.